I'm going to show you how to play Wah Diddy on the ukulele. The song was originally written in 1963, recorded in 1963 by the vocal group The Exciters, but a year later in 1964 made internationally famous by the British group Manfred Mann, and it was used in the movie Strum. Wah Diddy is a three-chord song in the key of C. It would be C, F, C for a while, and only occasionally do you have a G7 in there and then an A minor in there. And it's best performed with either a leader and then an entire group or two vocal groups, kind of a call and response. If you listen to Do Wah Diddy Diddy Dum, it sounds like down, down, up, down, up, right? Do Wah Diddy Diddy Dum Diddy Do. So the strumming pattern would be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So hold on the C for 4 beats and 2 beats on the F and the downstroke on the C. So it sounds like this. Do Wah Diddy Diddy Dum Diddy Do. And more slowly. Do Wah Diddy Diddy Dum Diddy Do. Now this strum pattern, down, down, up, down, up, is very popular in ukulele jam groups. We almost default to that down, down, up. Or some other version like down, down, up, down, down, up, down, or something like that. And embedded in this strum pattern is what I call the air stroke. The air stroke is where you still do your down strum, but you don't touch it. You don't touch your ukulele. So literally, you're still making the movement, but you don't touch it. For example, down, down, up, air, up, down, up. Do you notice that? More slowly. Down, and I'm coming up, and I'm doing down and up, and I'm coming down, but I don't touch it, and I touch it again on the upstroke, and then down, up. Okay? So, to practice this stroke, I would recommend that you split it into 2 parts, which the first part would be down, down, up, air, down, okay? Down, down, up, air. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, air. Down, down, up, air. So just keep practicing that until you could get it faster and without thinking about it. Down, down, up, air. Down, down, up, air. Down, down, up. My down is actually the air stroke, the last one. Down, down, up, air. Down, down, up, air. Down, down, up, air. Okay? And the second part is you go down, which is the air, but you come up and hit it. Air, up, down, up. Okay? Again, if you could see me. Air, up, down, up. Okay? Ready, and air, up, down, up. Air, up, down, up. Air, up, down, up. Air, up, down, up. So keep practicing that. Air, up, down, up. Remember, you can pause this video at any time to play whatever you need or you want to work on. Okay? Now let's put it together. Again, I'm playing the C chord, which is a 0, 0, 0, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, air, up, down, up, air, up, down. Do you see how that works? So let's put the whole song together. We'll start with the introduction, which is down, down, up, air, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then we start singing. All right? That's C, and then F, C. Calyso walking down the street singing do wah diddy diddy dum diddy do, snapping her fingers and shuffling her feet, singing do wah diddy diddy dum diddy do. She looked good, she looked fine, she looked good, she looked fine, and I nearly lost my mind. Notice that I'm using my strums very sparingly because this is really a song that sounds good without any accompaniment. And the role of the ukulele is just to make sure that the group is in sync rhythmically and also it's in tune, hence the chords. So throughout the entire song, we do downstrokes sparingly. And then only when we do the introduction and then do a diddy diddy dum diddy do we do the down, down, up, down, okay? There's a bit in the bridge where we go, wah, I knew we were falling in love. So let's try to get in there. We walked onto my door, then we kissed a little more. Wah, I knew we were falling in love. Yes, I do. And so I told her all the things I've been dreaming of. So notice on the G7, told her all the things I've been dreaming of. You just want to do one down strum. And the rest of this bridge, waft from wah, you actually want to play. So you can do the simple down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, or you could do down, down, up, down, up. Okay, now let's see how it sounds, all right? Wah, I knew we were falling in love. Yes, I did, and so I told her all the things I've been dreaming of. All right, that works since you're already playing the down, down, up, down. If you want to make it easier, you could go, whoa, I knew we were falling in love. Yes, I did. And so I told her all the things I've been dreaming of. What did I do there? I did a lot of down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up strokes. Okay, so what do you think? Which one would you prefer? Thank you for watching.